Okay, welcome to JTT Math Easier, Calculus 2, and right now we'll be talking about area between two curves. This is the basic introduction because I know it does get kind of confused and it does build on one another. So what I'm going to do first is show you the different types of area between the curves and what you should do when you're presented with those kind of types of curves. So the basic one is you have basically your graph or whatever. You have this is your A, which is a point, and this is B, which is another point. And it's basically like that, and it's covered, and they're asking you to find the area between these two curves. So basically, the way you integrate it and solve it is obviously point A to point P, f of x dx, and that's basically the thing that I'll show you in the book. Ones that are very familiar and are sure to pop up in your homework are, so this is going to be point A, and this is going to be point B. But the difference in this one is the area of the curve is different. So you have something like this would be 1, or it'd probably be a straight line, to tell you the truth. Then that'd be your f of x, and you probably have another one going somewhere around here, and that'll be your g of x. And they're basically asking you to find the area in here. But remember, they're giving you this whole thing, but you're only required to look this section only. So you can forget the rest, you make sure you look at that. And when you're presented with something like this way you integrate it from A to B, which are your points, f of x minus g of x dx is what so you will do first the top and then the bottom. And then they'll give you another one. Let me just erase this one. This is the basic one you'll see probably in your textbook. And it will be a graph. And it will have A will be somewhere here. So I'm going to put A. Sorry. And you'll have B. And then you'll see a point C. So I'm going to do C and I'm going to make it very small because it's important, but isn't important as you'll think. So you go like this. Something like that. Sorry, I'm not a good drawing right now. And then they're asking you to find the area between these two different curves. So a lot of people like to get a little bit freaked out because they're like, obviously it's not this, not perfect. So what you do is with this point C that you have, you will use it. So you go from A to C, and then it's of course f of x minus g of x, and then you can go plus, because remember we have from here, but they still want us to find from here to here. So you go from C to B, and now your g of x is the first one, g of x minus f of x. And obviously all to the dx or whatever power, whatever you're integrated to respect to. No, sorry, I'm really sloppy. Well, that's basically the different types of curves they'll give you. Further on into Calculus 2, they'll give you the disk and the washer method. And those are pretty, I wouldn't say they're difficult, but it is a lot to grasp. So I'll make sure to make some more videos on those so you guys can understand it fully. Thank you, and then the next video should show you an example. Bye.